Hello friends, in previous videos we learned how to make FM transmitter and FM radio. Now combined both project and learn how to make wireless phone set easy at home. First make sending device. Components: SN74LS13NIC, IC base, LM7805 voltage regulator, mic, 22103 and 104 PF capacitor, 2 resistor of 4.7K, PCB board, LED, 9 volt battery, battery clip, soldering wire, soldering iron. First make circuit diagram. SN74LS13NIC has 14 pin. Connect 1, 2, 4, and 6 number pin with each other. Now connect antenna with 6 number pin. Now connect 22 number capacitor with 7 number and 6 number pin. Now connect 104 number capacitor with 5 number pin. And second side connect with mic. And second side of mic connects with 7 number pin. Now connect 4.7K resistor with 14 number pin. And second side of resistor connects with mic. Now connect 4.7K resistor and LED with positive and ground wire. Now connect 103 number capacitor with positive and ground wire. Now connect LM7805 voltage regulator for 5 volt output. And finally connect 9 volt battery. LM7805 has 3 pin, first is input, second ground, and third is output. Now make receiving device. Components: TA2003 PIC, IC base, 15 PF 471 PF 4.7 microfarad and 220 microfarad capacitor, 2 pin and 3 pin 10.7 MHz ceramic filter, variable capacitor, 26 gauge 4 turn and 5 turn coil, PCB board, 2N2222A transistor, 1K variable resistor, on-off switch, speaker, soldering wire, soldering iron. First make circuit diagram. TA2003 PIC has 16 pins. Connect antenna with 1 number pin. Connect 3 volt negative power with 2 number pin. Connect 3 pin ceramic filters with 3 number, 6 number, and 8 number pin. Now connect 2 pin ceramic filter with 10 number pin and positive power. Now connect 471 PF capacitor with 11 number pin and positive power. Now connect 4 turn coil and 15 PF capacitor with 13 number pin. Now connect 14 number pin with positive power. Now connect 5 turn coil with 15 number pin and positive wire. 6 number pin used for 3 volt power supply. Now connect 4.7 microfarad capacitor with 11 number pin. 2N2222A NPN transistor has 3 pin. Connect middle pin of variable resistor with base. Now connect 220 microfarad capacitor. Now connect speaker with collector pin and third pin of variable capacitor. Now connect emitter with 9 number pin. Variable capacitor or tuner has 3 pin. Connect first pin with 15 number pin. Second pin connect with 2 number pin of IC. And third pin connect with 15 PF capacitor. Now connect all components on PCB board using circuit diagram. And make a 2 set. Project is ready for test.
Hello, testing 1 2 3 over. Hello, testing 1 2 3 over. Hello, testing 1 2 3 over. Hello, testing 1 2 3 over.
Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, so please tell in comments. And don't forget to subscribe our channel.